Hi to all, this is Yunesh Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Today we are going to see Google Forms. So what are the things are there in the Google Forms? How to use it? Come, let me see. Now we are going to see Google Forms. How to create a quiz in Google Forms, right? So type Google Forms. Open this one. Go for personal. So I'm just going to create a new Google form. So I'm just clicking blank. Go to settings. So we are going to create quiz. So go to settings. Click Quizzy. Make this quiz. If you want to release mark immediately, then click this one radio button. So immediately after each submission of the participants, they will see the marks. If they want to see the marks at the later, so you are supposed to click later, right? The respondents also can see the missed question if you tick this one, correct answers and point values if you tick this ones, right? Then click save, right? So now this forms will come. I'm just going to give some title for this. I'm just giving GQuiz. If there is any descriptions for this quiz, you can give a description over here. For example, telling that 40% mark is for qualify this, something else, whatever you want to give as a descriptions, you can click, right? So the next one is we are going to add the name of the participants. First one, we add name of the participant. Okay, so the name always in short answers, right? And make this as a required one, so compulsory they have to give, right? Then add questions, email ID. Okay, automatically change to short answers. And then click require. Then the third one is contact number or WhatsApp number, whatever you want. Click it. Short answers, it automatically changes. Then click this one. Then you can click as a add one and add the profile of the persons. For example, student. If you want to add an option, this is a radio button. This is a multiple choice questions. So radio options will be available. Radio buttons options will be available. So a person can choose only one. So student, faculty, or others, right? If you want to add options, you just click over here, the options will be added. Then make it as a, then place. If you want to add some places, so place, short answers required. That's it. So if you want to add any other things, you can add over here in this one. And if you want to personalize this page, okay, if you want to personalize this page with your pictures, header pictures, go to create theme, choose an image. I'm just going to add some image over here. You can select any themes over here from this one. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to okay, this one. If you want to add a picture which is there in your systems, you can click upload and select it. So I'm just going to click this one and insert. So the picture is up, right? Okay, now the first section is over, so we are going to move on to the questions for quiz. So I'm adding a sections for that. So add section, quiz. Give some title for this. I'm just giving quiz and adding a questions, right? So I'm just going to add a questions. You can type the questions over here. What I did is I already have some set of questions in my Word document, so I'm just going to copy it and paste this. If you want to type, you can add a question, you can type a questions over here. I'm just copying it and pasting it. I'm just giving an options for the questions. I'm just going to add options, so I just click add options. This highlighted one is the correct answer, so we have to mention the correct answer over there in the Google Forms, right? So I added all 4 options. Okay, so now I'm just going to give answer key for this. I'm just going to click answer key. If you want, you can give points for this, and 1 point or 2 point, 3 point, 100 points, whatsoever the points you can give. I'm just going to give 2 points for this, and the correct answer is FW Taylor. So this one is selected. Done. Then make sure it is been high. If it is a compulsory question, click require. Okay, you can if you want to add a question, you can click this one and add a questions. If you want to make a copy of it and you can want to edit it, you can also do it by just clicking this duplicate. I'm just going to add, right? So the second question, options, so here in this one, the second one is the answer. So answer key, 2 points, second one is the answer. Then click done. Then moving on to the next question, third one. I'm just show you how to create a duplicate of this and edit it. So if you want to add a questions, you can click add questions or duplicate it. So a duplicate questions of the second one will comes here. So I'm just going to edit it. So the third question, so give some numbers for that, so it will be easy for identifying. Right? So now I'm going to edit these options. Default the answer is in second one, so for that only we are just getting this tick mark. We have to change this one. The answer is the fourth one is the answer, right? So answer key, I'm going to change the answer to technology. That's the correct answer. So technology, and 2 points is there. So done. So likewise we are supposed to add all these questions one by one, or we are supposed to type all these questions one by one. How to add a bulk question, how to add a questions in a bulk to the Google quiz in Google Forms, right? So I'm going to add 3 questions here. Before that I have to save these questions in my Google Drive. So I'm just opening my Google Drive. So my added questions was here. So I'm just opening it. Open it in Google Docs. Okay, so it will be open here. So I'm just going to add 4 questions from 4th, 5th and 6th. Okay, so before that, if you are going to add questions in bulkly in this quiz, Google Form quiz, then just don't give this ABCDs or 1 2 3 and that options and all. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click add on doc from form, create doc from form. So this is the add-ons which I already added to my Google Drive. This is Google Documents. So if you are the first time user, then click add-on. Just click this one, doc to form. So I installed this app already, so it's showing installed. If not, you're supposed to install this app. Okay, then it will comes like this, doc to form, then click create. Okay, now what are the questions you need to upload? You can upload. I'm going to upload 4, 5 and 6 only. So I'm just selecting this one. I'm not copying it, I'm just selected this one, the question alone. I'm just click use selected text, it came here. Okay, then options, I'm copying it and pasting it. I just want to select this multiple choice and pasting it with separated by semicolon. So I have to add semicolons at the end of each options, right? Then add questions. So I'm going to add second question, that's the fifth question. Then multiple choice, add all 4 options separated by semicolon. So we have to add semicolon, then only it comes in options, or all this 4 comes under only one option. Then add questions, multiple choice, so I'm just going to add only 3 questions, so I'm just clicking create forms. Now I'm going to view the form, so click view form. Our form will be there. Okay, so I'm just going to import these questions to the existing one. Come, let's see how to import it, right? So going here, I'm just going to click this import questions. So the questions is already here, yeah, this one. See, select all. If you want to select all the questions, select all, then import questions. Okay, so I'm just going to have, I doesn't add the question number there, so I'm just going to add a question number over here. Okay, so this option is not there, so just delete it. I'm going to add answers for this. So the fourth one, the answer is C, that is human behavior. So I'm just going to add answers for this. Okay, so the fourth one answer is human behavior. So answer key human behavior, 2 points, done. Then for fifth one, the answer is communication, and for sixth one the answer is option A. So for fifth one, adding answer key, 2 points, and communication, done. And mark this as a required one. Even I forgot to mark this, so mark this as a required one. Then this is the option for you. So add answer key, 2 points, this done and required. So finish. So likewise we are supposed to add everything. Okay, so in this Google Forms, in this Google Docs, in this add-on thing, the only drawback is we can add up to 10 questions at one form. Okay, else we are supposed to buy this doc to form. Okay, then we can add multiple number of questions. Oh yeah, hope now you are clear with this how to create a quiz in Google Forms. In the upcoming videos we will see how to link this certificates, each certificate in Google Forms, so that once the respondent finishes this quiz, he will receive the certificate immediately, right? Hope you like this video. Kindly share with your friends. If you doesn't subscribe, press the subscribe button to subscribe it, and also press the notification button to get a new updates whenever I update it in my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.